Hey guys, Patrick here, your nutrition coach here at Perform and Transform. In this video, we're talking all about superfoods. So what is a superfood? Let's get into it. There's no clear definition on what a superfood is, but what we do know is a superfood is foods that are really nutritionally dense. They're dense in three things. They're dense in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. All of these things are micronutrients that doesn't have any calories, which is great. So vitamins and minerals help improve your bodily function. So things like your hair, your vision, your brain, your gut, your skin, all of these things get improved. It's gonna help with your energy, it's gonna help with your mood, and it's gonna help your body perform at a higher efficiency. The other thing that's really important is to have antioxidants. Antioxidants destroy things called free radicals, which create or which cause cancer. And so we want to get rid of all of those. So just because you're having a superfood doesn't mean that you're gonna suddenly lose weight. The only way to lose weight, remember, is to be in a calorie deficit. So you have to have less calories and you have to burn more calories. So you have to keep in mind your portion control. You can actually gain weight by eating too much superfood. So you want to have superfoods in the proper portions. Now, if you're making any type of dietary change, you have to consult your healthcare practitioner because this is really important. For example, if you're on blood thinners and you drastically increase your vitamin K intake, vitamin K assists with blood clotting, and the last thing we want is to have any type of blood clots. So consult your doctor before making any type of change. So I compiled a list for you guys of the top 50 superfoods that I think are gonna be the most beneficial for you. And I've broken it down into 4 categories: vegetable, protein, carbs, and fats. So vegetables over here, you can have as much vegetables as you want because it has 0 calories and lots of vitamins and minerals. So some of the superfoods here are spinach, broccoli, parsley, wheatgrass, arugula, kale, and Brussels sprouts. And what do you notice about all of these foods? They're all dark green leafy vegetables. So when you have a choice, try to choose dark green leafy vegetables because they're packed with vitamins and minerals. Next we have protein. Some of the great protein sources: salmon, fish, yogurt, eggs. These are all fantastic. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which is really beneficial for your health. Next is carbs. For carbs, you want to pick things that are very vibrant and have a lot of colors in them. So a lot of fruits over here. So papaya, tomatoes, raspberries, pineapple, grapefruit, berries are fantastic. Oatmeal, sweet potato, buckwheat. These are all great carbohydrate options. But you have to keep in mind that with all of these colorful fruits, they do have a lot of sugar. So you gotta watch your sugar intake. Next we have fat. So things like olive oil, hemp seeds, chia seeds, avocado, almonds, walnuts, coconut oil. These are all fantastic options. For olive oil, you want to make sure that you have it cold pressed. You don't want regular olive oil because how they extract it is through heat, and heat gets rid of all the vitamins and minerals. With fats, you have to make sure that you have it in the proper proportion. All of these fats, they're very dense in nutrients, but they're also very dense in calories. And if you have too much of these, you're consuming way too much calories, and thus it's going to cause weight gain. Okay, so to recap, I shared with you the portion control guidelines before, and I'll share it with you again. If you have a plate, the biggest thing in your plate is vegetables. It should be 1 fist. The second biggest thing is protein over here, the size of a palm. The next biggest thing is a scoop of carbs, half a cup, and the last biggest thing is a thumb of fats. So here I want to share with you a quick little video about a monkey trying to crack open a nut to eat. So let's watch this video real quick. All right, so here you can see that the monkey is working really hard to crack open the shell of the nut. You know, it's hammering it, it's smashing it, it's lifting rocks, it's trying to throw it on the ground. It's working really hard just to extract that one nut. We have to work so hard just to have one nut. And so fast forward to the 21st century, it's so easy to get the nuts extracted and processed, and all we have to do is sit on the couch and have a handful of nuts and seeds, thinking it's really healthy for us. It is really healthy, but you have to make sure you have the proper portions, right? How hard do you have to work to actually extract that nut? right? To like hammer it, to open it, to peel it, all these things. Not just open a jar and munch away. Very, very important to keep in mind your portion control. So here are the challenges of the week. So challenge number 1 or level number 1 is to try one new superfood. Really, really simple. Level 2 challenge to try 3 new superfoods with the proper portions. And then level 3 is to have 1 vegetable, carb, protein, and a fat superfood every single day. So I hope this video helps you. Comment below what your favorite superfood is, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for allowing us to transform your life through fitness. All right, I think that was my best one.